Today I am going to be reacting to some swimsuit hacks that I have been seeing floating around TikTok. This is a trend that is huge right now, and we want to just see if some of these hacks would actually work. So we have someone doing a bikini top a different way. That was actually legit. I don't know if it would work if you had a bigger chest, but definitely a cool technique. So then we have a different variation. She also kind of flipped her bikini top upside down, wrapped it around. And if you had a bigger cup size, you might be able to pull that off. That bikini top looked like it could stretch a little bit more than the previous one did. So then we have more bikini top hacks. So these are just like different ways that you can rock your bikini top. That's a pretty cute way, the way she tied it around her waist in the middle. I liked that idea a lot. And then we have some more triangle bikini hacks. So it looks like she flipped hers upside down and around as well. Oh, she's doing the same version. Okay. She created like a little twisted effect. That was really cute and fun in the middle. Now, like I said, if you have a bigger chest, you might not be able to pull off some of these, but I really think that some of them are quite clever. So she did the same thing where she wrapped it around the middle and just kind of tied it up from the bottom, created a little bow in the middle. That was cute. So she's doing a triangle hack to get like a push-up effect. Oh, it's the same technique. All right, so we're just gonna see the same one. Oh, well, you know what? It is different because she didn't tie it in the middle. She kind of tied it around the back, so I'll give her that. It was the same, but it was different. So here someone is trying different hacks that she's been seeing floating around. I think the bottom line is that some of these will work and that some of them won't. It just depends on the particular style that you're trying to use and also your chest size, to be honest. But you can have a lot of fun just trying them out and seeing if you could actually replicate them. Yeah, that one definitely would not work if you have a larger chest. The one where the cups is turned into like the strapless style. No, that would not give you any type of support. Oh, so she's like making her bikini top tighter. That was a good hack. Now that is a legit way that would probably work for all cup sizes because she's basically just wrapped it around the back and made it tighter so the strings aren't as long. So bikini hacks I've learned. That text is so small, I can't even read that. Okay, I don't know if those hacks would work or not. The text was so small I couldn't even read what she was saying. Maybe I need glasses, but I just could not read that text. So then we have the triangle from the bottom hack. She didn't show us the full side of that, so I don't even know if that hack worked for her. She showed us like one side and that was it. Untie the bikini bottom. Again, another hack that would probably only work if you had a smaller chest. Sorry for us big chested girls, but some of these hacks just would never work. You would not have the support you need. I'm just being honest here. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these videos with me, these video clips from TikTok. Would you ever try any of these hacks? Let me know in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.